Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can anchor an image to the page in your documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your document with the given image here on your page, and what you want to do is right click into it, hover your mouse over anchor and choose one of these options: to paragraph, to character, or as character. Alternatively guys, there are more detailed settings to these anchor settings. You may navigate to these by clicking into properties, and here guys, go through these options and you will see the position and size tab in the top left, and here to the right the anchoring. So there's also option number 4, to paragraph, to character as character, and to page, and you will see the preview here. Click into OK, and now the image has been anchored to the page. As you can see, I can't move it to page 1 or to any other page because this page now is the anchor for that image. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.